ito po yung munggo na niluto natin. It's a yum, 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 yum. Munggo na may ampalaya, sutanghon, and papaya. Itong ampalaya po, tanim lang natin. With also dahon ng malunggay, and alugbati, and talbos ng kamote. So, ito po siya. Sobrang dami po nating niluto. And it's look yummy. Yum, yum. And delicioso. Ayan, sarap ng luto po natin. We have to always eat healthy food. Ayan. Daming gulay. May konting manok tayo nilagay. Ayan, yung manok is there. So this is a yum yum delicacy of the Filipino. Munggo! Ayan, thank you for watching. Luto rin po